This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Here's another demo of how I draw faces in my style. So start with a dividing circle. The first line is the forehead or eyebrow line, then another one below to separate the eye area. The bottom of the circle is where the nose goes. I also draw a circle on both eye part from the eyebrows to just under them because it makes it easier to measure the eye placement so it doesn't end up looking weird. The nose is just an inverted triangle shape. Honestly, it's all just a bunch of shapes. Of course, it depends on the head's angle, but for this portrait, I'm just breaking down the structure of the reference. You kinda just have to envision it while looking at it. Once I have a light sketch of the overall structure, I start refining the line art. For shading, I do one-directional lines, leaving tiny gaps between them so it adds texture. I really love texture in my drawings. It makes everything pop. I leave white space for highlights or the lightest areas. When I do the first layer of shading on the face, I make sure my lines are super consistent so everything looks intentional. For the hair, I mostly keep my strokes short, sometimes overlapping, sometimes spaced out. It really depends on where the shadows and highlights are. So this is the result. I also did another one here. I actually tried to use paper stump in this one. That's why it looks smooth. I'll do another sketch, but before that, let's talk about today's sponsor. Squarespace makes building a website super easy, even if you're new to it. With pre-designed templates and a drag-and-drop interface, you can quickly create a polished site. Their AI tools like Squarespace Blueprint help you design from scratch, picking layouts, fonts, and colors that match your theme, while letting you preview everything before committing. If you're into e-commerce or online courses, Squarespace makes organizing products, lessons, and payments simple. Plus, built-in SEO tools help boost your site's visibility without extra effort. If this sounds interesting to you, then start your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, use squarespace.com/pateseich for 10% off your first website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.